What if Earth was as big as Jupiter? What if overnight, Earth expanded to the colossal size of Jupiter? Picture skyscrapers dwarfed by towering gravity, oceans stretching endlessly, and storms the likes of which we could never fathom. Today, we'll journey into this alternate reality and explore how our planet and our lives would be transformed. With a Jupiter-sized Earth comes increased gravity, nearly 12 times stronger than what we're used to. Walking, let alone running, would become a Herculean effort. Buildings, cities, and even mountains would need to withstand crushing forces. Could we adapt, or would human civilization collapse under this unimaginable weight? But it's not just us who would struggle. Animals and plants would evolve to become shorter and sturdier, abandoning the towering forms we marvel at today. Trees might become squat bulks of green, while birds could lose their ability to fly altogether. A massive Earth wouldn't just change gravity, it would supercharge our weather. Larger planets like Jupiter are home to enormous storms, from raging winds to monstrous hurricanes that can last centuries. Imagine hurricanes the size of continents swirling above civilizations, or day-long rainstorms that drop oceans worth of water. Temperature differences across this supersized planet would generate climate zones more extreme than anything we've experienced. Equatorial regions might boil under scorching heat, while the poles freeze deeper than any ice age. Surviving in such weather? That would be an adventure of its own. An Earth this size might host entirely new landscapes. Deep oceans could plunge farther than the human eye, or machines could reach. Mountain ranges would scale to unimaginable heights, towering thousands of kilometers into the thin atmosphere. Life, if it still thrives, may take on a bizarre new form. Creatures could evolve in ways we can only imagine, adapting to crushing gravity and extreme climates. Some species might migrate underground, avoiding the chaos above. This colossal Earth wouldn't just affect itself, it could alter the entire solar system. A planet this large would have an immensely powerful gravitational pull. It might drag in nearby moons or even create new ones, reshaping Earth's orbit and potentially wreaking havoc on neighboring planets. And what about human space exploration? Escaping a planet of this size would require rockets far more powerful than we've ever built. Colonizing the stars would become an even greater challenge, trapping humanity on its massive, volatile homeworld. Faced with such monumental changes, humanity's ingenuity would be put to the ultimate test. Could we design technology to combat extreme gravity and weather? Would we find ways to live underground or even in floating cities above the storms? Survival could depend on how fast and creatively we adapt. Beyond survival, though, this new Earth may unlock incredible scientific advances. Studying such a transformed planet could teach us how to live on other massive worlds in the distant future. Could this Jupiter-like Earth prepare us for life beyond the stars? Earth as big as Jupiter isn't just a question of science, it's a playground for imagination. It forces us to push boundaries, rethink survival, and dream of worlds unlike anything we've ever known. In this alternate reality, life might look different, but the human drive to adapt could endure stronger than ever. Could humanity rise to the challenge? Could a Jupiter-sized Earth be both our greatest threat and our path to a new future? These are the questions that pull us deeper into the infinite possibilities of what if. Let your imagination take the reins. Now it's your turn. What do you think would happen if Earth were as big as Jupiter? Let us know your wildest theories in the comments. If you enjoyed this journey into speculative science, like and subscribe for more mind-bending explorations. Together, let's keep pondering the great what-ifs of the universe.